Run. He runs every morning to stay fit. Jump. The children jumped over the puddles. Please subscribe this channel to watch more videos like this. Write. She writes beautiful poems in her notebook. Laugh. Everyone laughed at the funny joke. Cry. The baby started to cry when she dropped her toy. Swim. They swim in the lake during summer. Climb. She climbed the tree to pick apples. Cook. He loves to cook dinner for his family. Sing. She sings in the school choir. Dance. The couple danced gracefully at the wedding. Draw. He draws pictures of animals in his sketchbook. Listen. I listen carefully to my teacher's instructions. Drive. He drives his car to work every day. Fly. Birds fly across the sky in the morning. Like and subscribe this channel. Shout. He shouted across the room to get her attention. Build. The workers build houses in the new neighborhood. Break. Be careful not to break that glass. Fix. He fixed the broken chair with glue. Kick. The soccer player kicked the ball into the net. Throw. She threw the ball to her dog. Catch. I caught the bus. Just in time. Hug. He gave her a big hug when she arrived. Push. He pushed the cart up the hill. Lift. He lifted the box and carried it upstairs. Drop. Be careful not to drop your phone. Give. She gave him a gift for his birthday. Take a deep breath and relax. Buy. They bought fresh fruit from the market. Sell. She sells handmade jewelry at the craft fair. Lend. He lent me his umbrella during the rain. Help. Can you help me with my homework? Teach. She teaches math to high school students. Grow. The flowers grow beautifully in the garden. Plant. She planted new flowers in the backyard. Harvest. We harvested the crops in the fall. Shake. He shook my hand firmly when we met. Wave. She waved goodbye as the train left the station. Point. He pointed to the map to show us the way. Touch. Please don't touch the painting, it's delicate. Please like and subscribe this video. Feel. I feel happy when I spend time with my friends. Taste. I tasted the soup and it was delicious. Smell. The flowers smell so sweet in the spring. Bite. She bit into the apple and smiled. Swallow. She swallowed the pill with some water. Rest. After a long day, she rested on the couch. Sleep. He sleeps early to get a good night's rest. Wake. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day for school. Undress. He undressed after a long day at work. Please like and subscribe this channel. Pack. She packed her suitcase for the vacation. Clean. They clean the house every Saturday. Dirty. The kids got dirty while playing outside. Organize. She organizes her books by genre. Disorganize. He tends to disorganize his desk every time. Sprint. He sprinted to the finish line in the race. Crawl. The baby crawled across the floor towards her toys. Stumble. He stumbled over the rock while hiking. Stand. Please stand in line to wait for your turn. Sit. He sat on the bench and read his book. Lie. The cat lied down in the warm sunlight. Meditate. She meditates every morning to clear her mind. Exercise. I exercise at the gym 3 times a week. Stretch. After running, it's important to stretch your muscles. Pull. She pulled the door open with both hands. Observe. She observed the birds in the park with binoculars. Watch. They watch the sunset every evening from the hill. Look at the beautiful rainbow in the sky. Stare. He stared at the painting for a long time. Glance. I glanced at my watch to check the time. Blink. She blinked when the bright light flashed. Sneeze. He sneezed loudly and reached for a tissue. Cough. She coughed into her hand to be polite. Shiver. I shivered in the cold winter wind. Shine. The sun shines brightly in the sky today. Please like and subscribe this channel to watch more videos.